Welcome to Choice Champions. The best boot polish kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in a man's wardrobe, capable of transforming scuffed, tired-looking footwear into gleaming, polished masterpieces that exude confidence and attention to detail, making it a crucial investment for anyone who values presentation and wants their shoes to last longer, ensuring they always put their best foot forward in any situation, whether it's a formal event or a casual outing. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This kit effectively cleans fabric, leather, and even delicate materials like suede and nubuck. Get a deep clean without damaging your sneakers. Keep your white sneakers looking pristine with this powerful cleaner. It tackles tough stains and dirt, restoring their original brightness. The included bottle and brush work together to provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. It's the perfect solution for all your footwear needs. With the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit, you can easily maintain the look and feel of your entire sneaker collection. Experience the miracle of clean shoes today. What we like. This kit is your go-to for all types of footwear, from leather to suede. It effectively cleans and revives the original color of your shoes. If you have a diverse shoe collection with various materials, this is the perfect all-in-one solution for you. What people say. This kit includes a variety of polishes and applicators for different shoe colors. The included brushes are high quality and make applying the polish easy and even. The leather conditioner in the kit effectively restores moisture and prevents cracking. Number 4. Stone & Clark Original Shoe Polish and Care Kit. Introducing the Stone & Clark Original Shoe Polish and Care Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to keep your leather shoes looking their best. Whether you're a man or a woman, this kit is designed for all your leather footwear. Achieve a professional shine with ease. Our specially formulated polish nourishes and protects your leather. It restores color and provides a brilliant, long-lasting shine. Included are all the essential tools for effective shoe care. From application to buffing, every step is covered. Regular use of this kit will not only enhance the appearance of your shoes but also help to extend their lifespan. Invest in quality care for your favorite footwear. Experience the satisfaction of perfectly polished shoes with minimal effort. This kit makes shoe shining a simple and enjoyable task. What we like. Experience the traditional way to care for your leather shoes. It provides deep conditioning and a lasting, elegant shine. If you prioritize the longevity and classic appearance of your leather footwear, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It has everything you need to polish shoes. The color match has been great, no matter is a brown or black boot. The shine afterwards with the brush makes my boots look new again. Has black, brown, and neutral polish. Has 3 cloths so you don't cross-contaminate the polishes, and smear black on your brown shoes. Polish seems to be pretty good quality. My tan chukka books look brand new. My black dress shoes look sharp too. The brushes, cloths, and polished tins are of good quality, and the compact case makes it easy to store or travel with. Number 3. FOOTMATTERS Hardwood Shoe Shine Valet Box. Discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your footwear. This elegant box keeps all your shoe care essentials organized and accessible. Experience the durability and classic style of its premium hardwood construction. It's built to last and complement any space. Everything you need for a perfect shine is right here. From cleaning to polishing, achieve professional results with ease. Keep your brushes, polishes, and cloths neatly stored and ready for use. No more searching for misplaced items. Whether it's your favorite boots or dress shoes, this Valet box provides the ideal platform for care. Keep them looking their best. Elevate your shoe care routine with this essential accessory. It's the perfect blend of functionality and timeless design. What we like. Keep all your shoe care essentials neatly organized in one place. This premium hardwood box is designed for convenience and durability. If you appreciate a tidy space and want easy access to your shoe care tools, this Valet box is a must-have. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors to match different shoe shades. The brushes are made of soft bristles that won't scratch the leather. The polish provides a long-lasting shine and protects the shoes from water damage. Number 2. FOOTMATTERS Hardwood Shoe Shine Valet Box. Discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your footwear. This elegant box keeps all your shoe care essentials organized and accessible. Experience the durability and timeless appeal of its premium hardwood construction. It's built to last and complement any space. Everything you need for a perfect shine is right here. From brushes to polishes, keep your boots and shoes looking their best. No more searching for your shoe care items. This Valet box provides dedicated compartments for effortless organization and quick access. Transform your routine with this all-in-one Valet box. It's the perfect addition for anyone who values pristine footwear. Surprise the shoe enthusiast in your life with this practical and stylish gift. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like. This elegant Valet box is crafted from durable hardwood, offering ample space for all your shoe care needs. It's built to last and looks great in any setting. If you're looking for a stylish and robust solution to store your shoe care products, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors to match different shoe shades. The polish provides a long-lasting shine and protects the leather. The included brushes are soft and effective for applying and buffing. Number 1. 13 PCS Shoe Care Kit for Men and Women. Introducing a comprehensive 13-piece shoe care kit designed for both men and women. This all-in-one solution ensures your footwear always looks its best. It comes with 3 high-quality horsehair brushes, perfect for applying polish and buffing your shoes to a brilliant shine. Achieve professional results with ease. Keep your leather boots and shoes in top condition with the included black, brown, and neutral mink oil. This formula nourishes the leather, protecting it from damage. The kit also features convenient shine sponges and a soft care cloth. These tools make cleaning and achieving a perfect shine a quick and simple process. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This exceptional shoe cleaning kit is an ideal present for any man who appreciates well-maintained footwear. Give the gift of pristine shoes. What we like. This extensive kit covers all your shoe care needs with 13 essential items, including specialized mink oil for leather. It's designed for both men and women and makes an excellent gift. If you want a complete package for leather care or are searching for a thoughtful gift for a shoe enthusiast, this set is unbeatable. What people say. It is an inexpensive, thorough kit that contains all the brushes, conditioner, or polish you could use. There are several colors, so all of his shoes were covered. The items came in sizes that will take him years to use, or dry out before he uses it all. Everything can store in the pouch. This shoe shining kit works great and has everything you need. The quality is solid overall, and it came in a beautiful bag that fits all the items perfectly, making it easy to store and travel with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.